Hello everyone, welcome to this troubleshooting video. Today I will be showing you the steps on how to fix this issue with Instagram. We're sorry but something went wrong, please try again. There will be multiple steps and multiple options, so make sure that you follow along and check if something works for you to hopefully fix this problem. Okay, so the first solution to this problem could be restarting your phone. This most of the time fixes the problem with Instagram. Next, the second option would be to actually delete Instagram and reinstall it. This could also solve your problem. The last option is to go into the App Store and check if the app is actually updated and is the latest version of the actual app. You can do that by going into the App Store, searching for Instagram, and seeing if it's actually updated. As you can see, the last update here was 2 weeks ago, so my Instagram is definitely updated and is in the latest version, so that is definitely not my problem. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if this helped. If there are any questions, please leave a comment and I will try to help you personally. And I will see you next time.